What if all your work tools actually stayed connected? Your projects shouldn't slow down just because they're spread across platforms. With Tivazo's Jira integration, task management and real-time productivity tracking come together seamlessly in one automated workflow. First, log in to your Tivazo workspace. From the sidebar, head over to the Integrations section and select Jira to begin the connection. You'll be redirected to grant access. Choose the Jira site you want to connect and proceed with the authorization. After that, choose a site you want to use the app on, then proceed accordingly. Once connected, you'll be taken back to Tivazo, where you can select the project you're working on. After selecting the project you're currently working on, click Add to complete the setup process and finalize. Next, go to the Project section in Tivazo, where you'll see all your ongoing projects listed in one place. Finally, click on Visit Jira, and you'll be redirected to Jira. There, you can view all your tasks, including both to-do and in-progress items, without switching between tools. Now, instead of switching between tools, everything stays connected between Tivazo and Jira in real time. You don't just manage tasks, you actually understand how work is happening across your team. With automatic sync and real-time tracking, you get clear visibility into productivity, time usage, and progress without any manual effort. If you're already using Jira, this integration turns task management into real performance insights with Tivazo.